Let's see Euler 2004 complex number sum. If you look at that sum, now you are given like this. Let C be a complex. C be the complex number half times 1 plus I root 3. Find the modulus and argument of each of the complex numbers 2z squared and 3 over z squared. In an Argand diagram, O represents origin, capital A represents complex number 2 c squared, and B represents complex number 3 over c squared. Right? Does the point represented in C lie on the line passing through O and B? Justify your answer. But you are given C equals half times 1 plus I root 3. So this half plus I root 3 by 2. This cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3. What is the argument? Arg C? Arg C is pi by 3. Mod C is 1. So you have to notice these things, right? But they are not asking these two. But they need what is 2c squared and 3 over c squared, right? If you take 2c squared, 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 whole thing squared, right? Or you can apply the Mohr theorem, because now you have the Mohr theorem, cos squared pi by 3 plus I squared sin squared pi by 3 plus 2I cos pi by 3 plus into sin pi by 3. This I squared is minus 1. Cos squared pi by 3 minus sin squared pi by 3 is what? 2 cos 2 pi by 3 minus plus I sin 2 pi by 3 by half angle formula, right? Very easily you can get that. What is 3 over c squared? 3 over c squared is 3 over cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. So this equals 3 cos 2 pi by 3 minus I sin 2 pi by 3. If you multiply top and bottom by the conjugate of this complex number, you get cos square 2 pi by 3 minus I square sin square 2 pi by 3. So this equals 3 times cos minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin minus 2 pi by 3. So this is a principal argument according to new syllabus definition of argument, right? Okay? Because new syllabus definition, argument is not now before 2011, right? Argument was defined as from 0 to 2 pi, right? In that range. Now, according to new syllabus, argument is defined from principal argument. I am saying principal argument. Principal argument is defined from minus pi to plus pi, right? excluding minus 5, right? Uh, right. Now these are the arguments. Now you can mention that what is 2z squared modulus, that is 2. Arc 2z squared, what is that? 2 pi by 3. Is it clear? Right. What is modulus of 3 over c squared? That is 3.
Sir.
What is argument of 3 over c squared?
Minus 2 pi by
Minus 2 pi by 3. Right. What is next part? Next part, in the Argand diagram or represent origin, you have to plot these numbers in the Argand diagram, right? If you come to Argand diagram, if these numbers Z is like this, is it? Then 2z squared. 2z squared is like this. This 2z squared. 2z squared. So this angle is 2 pi by 3. Right? This length is O is 2 units. Right? OB 3 pi by, that is 3 units, length is 3 units, like this, 3 units. This is B, three over c squared, 3 units. Now you know that first part you have to show that does the point representing C lies on the line to O and B? Yes. C lies, that is obvious, no? C lies, because this angle is pi by 3, this angle is minus 2 pi by 3. Sum of these two angles is 5, right? If you take this is P, what is the angle? O, P, O, B, a straight line. P, O, B, straight line. Why? Since arc C mod arc C plus mod arc 3 over c squared equals 5. Sum of these angles is 5. This 2 pi by 3, this pi by 3, sum of this angle is 5. Okay? 5. Therefore, C lies on the line line to O and B, right? That is obvious. The next part, because you have to show it is yes, answer is yes. Yes, OB straight line, therefore yes, Z lies on the line to O and B. On the line to O and B, you can say. You can say first yes, Z lies on the line to O and B. Then you have to justify the answer, so you can show this straight line. POB is a straight line. Right? Point C is chosen so that OACB is a parallelogram. Determine the Cartesian form P plus IQ and complex number represented by C, and find the length of the diagonal OACM. Very important part. This is very important part for widen your knowledge tree, right? Now you have to complete the parallelogram. They has to complete the parallelogram OACB, right? So you complete the parallelogram OACB like this. OACB. So this point is C. You complete the parallelogram OACB like this. Okay. Is it clear? Right? Now you have to find diagonals of this parallelogram. How do you find the parallelogram? First of all, you have to find the complex number represented by point C. The complex number represented by C is Z dash, so Z dash equals 2Z squared plus 3OZ squared. That is 2 into cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 plus 3 times 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 plus cos minus 2 pi by 3 plus I sin minus 2 pi by 3. Right? 2 cos, that's equals 5 cos 3 pi by 2 pi by 3 plus I times 2 minus 3 I minus 3 sin 2 pi by 3, like this. Or this equals 5 into minus half plus minus I times 3 into root 3 by 2. So this equals minus pi by 2 minus 3 root 3 by 2i. So they ask express this complex number represented by point C in the form of p plus iq. So this is a complex number, right? You can simplify. First you can substitute in polar form. You substitute polar form and put values for cos 2 pi by 3 and sin 2 pi by 3. Right? Then you get minus pi by 2 times minus 3 root 3 I by 2. Right? Like, what is the length of the diagonals? How do you find the length of the diagonal doing? Hello?
Sir, is it 2 is it 2 squared plus 3 over z squared?
No.
Algebraic element?
How do you take that? No, not like that. Now you are not given in but OC is actually you can very easily you can find that is a modulus of this complex number. This is point C, no? OC very easily you can calculate. What is OC? That's also the one diagonal, this diagonal. OC. OC is the magnitude of this complex number, C dash. Right? That is pi by 2 squared plus 3 root 3 by 2 whole thing squared square root. Is it clear? That is
Yes.
1/2 times 25 plus 27. Right? So this equals half square root 52. That is use 52. This is 4 into 13, that is 2 root 30 equals root 30. Okay. Is it clear? Root 30. What
Yes.
is, can you tell me the other diagonal? How do you take the other diagonal? This diagonal? AB.
So C1 sorry, 2z squared minus 3 is it squared.
That's right. Difference. So you have to take the modulus of difference of two complex numbers from the distance formula. Can you remember we did that distance formula?
Yes, sir.
Right. So AB equals mod 2c squared minus 3c squared. First of all, you have to find this complex number, this difference. First you calculate the difference, this difference. What is this difference? Because you know 2c squared and 3c squared. First you calculate difference of two complex numbers. First you calculate 2c squared minus 3c squared. So this equals 2 into cos 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Okay. This equals minus 3 times cos minus 2 pi by 3 plus I times sin minus 2 pi by 3. Okay. If you simplify this one, minus cos 2 pi by 3, because cos minus 2 pi by 3 equals cos 2 pi by 3, eh? Then you can simplify because cos theta equals cos minus theta. So if you simplify these two here, minus 2 minus this equals minus sine minus 2, this also minus 5 sine 2 pi by 3. Here sine minus theta equals minus sine theta. Eh? So if you use like that, you get this. Here minus, here plus 2 pi by 3, here minus plus, become plus. Right? This equals half plus 5 times root 3 by 2. So this is the difference of two complex numbers. Then OC equals, so AB equals 2c squared minus 3c squared modulus. That modulus is half squared plus pi root 3 by 2 squared whole thing square root. Right? In previous one also same, no? Both, if diagonals are equal, then it is impossible, no? The equal of the equal, if diagonals are equal, no, not equal, right? Now this one you get different value, so you can take half out. This is 1 plus 25 into 75 square root. That is square root 78 half into square root 76. Right? This equals square root 90. This equals square root 90. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
When you find OC, there's one mistake. Right? Here 2 cos 2 pi by 3, 3 minus 2 pi by 3. So it's equals pi 2 pi by 3. Here no 3, right? 5 cos 2 pi by 3 plus minus I times sine 2 pi by 3 only, right? That is this one. No 3 here. Then no 3 here. Then no 3. Root 3 by 2 square. 25 plus 3. That is square root 28. That is 2 root 7. So this equals root 7. Eh? Root 7. Other one is correct. Eh? Length of OC is square root 7.